trust.
It's finally out of service, man. Okay.
Took long enough. A second try only eh.
Trust.
First try leh.
137.
I just came only.
It's here 137. It is, I told you already.
A137. Go. Oi. Oh, don't press the volume button, you'll stop the video. Oh, 127. Oh,
The train on platform 1 is servicing by here.
Told you.
Huh?
Told you.
Faulty items or feeling unwell, please use the lift at platform 1.
Yesterday was 135, 136.
I know, I took it yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday it was the first train I took when I came back.
Didn't ask.
No, it's the same. This side is the same.
Doors closing.
It's a better but
Next station, Southview.
lighting what?
I can take food.
I can't.
Bukit Panjang. Yeah, let's go.
Food, Panjang? Like Bukit Panjang then?
No, just that way.
Okay.
Was it serving back this side or what?
Then when I reached the station, the train departed.
Bruh, you never run ah?
I tried to run. I tried to
Service
run.
speed.
Service speed.
Okay. The second time, I literally caught my fingers stuck in between the doors when I tried to chase it. God damn. But the door opened anyway.
Because I had to top up my card.
Bruh. No money ah inside.
Southview.
Yeah, okay.
What is it? Bukit Panjang? Bukit Panjang got like
And then I take food.
the two of us have to be the first to out only.
No. What train was before this ah?
You've seen all one day, but I can't tell.
Yeah, I cannot.
No. Wait, you got see the train before this?
Doors closing.
No, you're right. No, by the time we reached, it already departed. But we saw it was a non-retrofit.
Next station, Cat
Oh, so
Hall.
it was C801A.
Yeah.
Non-retrofitted. Non-retrofitted. So it's between 123, 125, 126, 121, and 127, and 120.
There's a lot of delay.
Oh, yeah.
There are only 3 sets that are non-retrofitted now on service.
There are 5 trains, there are 5 cars.
No, there's 3 sets in service that are non-retrofitted. 120, 127. That's one set. 121, 126, and 123, 125. That's all. 105 are on here.
Cat Hall.
So we take Bukit Panjang, then you will buy. Or you want to take one hour? Because we can take a short also. Yeah, okay. This is the correct spot. Yeah.
Cat Hall.
Okay. It hasn't even started testing yet.
I'm a dustbin, man. I'm not a dustbin. I saw video someone caught it night testing with 137.
I'm not a dustbin now.
They say it's 137, 138 on service on testing.
It's on YouTube?
Only upgraded for
Really?
It's at night.
When was it posted?
I think I never really tried. It's more of a shot.
Doors closing. Next station, Tip 1.
136 and replace with this.
I guess so.
Yesterday was the last time I saw 136.
136 was my favorite one. I think like sometimes soon 135 go out, then 136.
Maybe 136 will be 138. I think they put 135, 137 because it went testing 2 times to 137, but then 136 only one.
But 135 was the first one to test with one.
Yeah, but then it tested for 2 weekends. 136 only one.
Oh.
I think so lah. I
I
forgot.
know. Wait, I only saw 136 testing 137 once only. That's all. It was at night. That one I posted.
So what they do today?
135 I think is a more
Take
healthy
1.
one.
See, when secondary doesn't go his phone, something good happens. Yeah, I know.
I mean, exactly, it's not even there.
I told him to bring his phone.
Then just
I already told him in recess.
Doors closing. Next station, Phoenix.
Oh, it's 120, 127. But I suppose I have to be 123, 125. They are the most common seat service compared to 126. So it should be 121, 126 also very small.
imagine 151.
I know, right? I almost screamed down the train
Haven't yet.
when I saw it. I almost screamed down the train when I saw it. Almost.
Phoenix.
150 way.
You do mean 150, I think 2026.
No, they said the fleet will be fully delivered by end 2025.
Oh yeah, correct. Then end of 2026 is what?
2026 then they will complete everything like including the retrofitment also.
Oh.
And rest in BC01s.
So I'm still waiting for 132 to come back on testing.
Sorry.
Hey, it's already doing like hackers.
Wait,
132 already retrofitted.
It's still doing like hackers.
It is testing.
yeah, no.
Wait, you got saw the result? Then?
Yeah, I think we can do it.
You saw
I want to do a slow-mo when we pass by the Panjang.
Doors closing.
When we pass by Bukit Panjang,
Next station, Panjang.
before.
But then I can't.
I can slow-mo.
Later when you go back.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I can't go back.
Oh, why is it going so slow?
Yeah, yesterday also same thing. It's going very slow. But got TS lah.
Why?
TSR?
TS lah.
Yeah.
Oh, what is it?
The
Phase view restriction.
temporary speed restriction. Yeah.
Oh, they put here.
Yeah, for I think CBTC only. I never take the other trains yet. For this section during the past.
For TSR, that time it was down that hill and then before Jalasan.
Yeah.
For some reason. But now they...
Reminds me of Genting. Yeah. Wait, I know.
I can do better than you.
Hey, I'm going to tell you that 137 was the shortest game.
139 will only come...
I see a C801B there. Wait, that's not the C. That's not the C.
You see? CO1.
You guys taking one from?
Yeah,
They're taking.
One now.
Why is it actually here?
I think that's the train I took before.
Okay, wait. I hope nobody spotted it first.
Change the next station,
Like on SC I checked this morning, nobody.
Go where? Where you go?
I go only.
Are you going?
Yeah, I took a photo. I took a
they are taking one out.
Didn't get it.
Of the car plate number lah.
Yeah, the car plate number obviously. For a thumbnail, I need the car plate number.
Okay, when they open this door.
When it finishes opening.
Yeah lah.